Everyone, today's question is nothing but sum the series sine alpha plus 1 by 2 2 alpha plus 1 by 2 square 3 sine 3 alpha plus to infinity. We want to solve the sum. So first step what we want to do means taking s as given question, that is sine function, and next one is taking, we want to take a cos. So sine is if sine in a linear function we want to change it as a cos. So cos alpha plus 1 by 2 1 by 2 as it is, and change sine 2 alpha as a cos 2 alpha then as it is, and say change sine 3 alpha as a cos 3 alpha. Then we had a formula that is c plus is. So if we add these two terms and in front of yes we want to add I also. So cos alpha plus I sine alpha plus 1 by 2 cos 2 alpha, 1 by 2 is taken as common, and cos 2 alpha plus I sine 2 alpha, then 1 by 2 square into cos 3 alpha plus I sine 3 alpha. Like that we had this. We form a given question. Then what we want to do means this is we can also written as e power I alpha. So cos alpha plus I sine alpha can be written as e power I alpha. So if we written means we get this form. Then it is in a complex term, so we want to simplify this. So what we are doing means taking e power I alpha as a x. So we place e power, instead of e power I alpha we place x. So x plus x square by 2 plus x cube by 2 square plus 1. Then here what we want to do means taking our x's common means we get this term. If we in a binomial formula which is 1 minus x power minus 1, this is in the formula. If we take x as instead of x by 2 means we get and instead of minus 1 means 1 means we get this term. So it is in the minus 1. So minus 1 means we written as a denominator, so 1 minus x by 2. So if we multiply this, cross multiply 2 minus x divided by 2, that 2 goes to numerator, so 2x divided by 2 minus x. Then what we want to do here, we taken x as a e power ix, then e power ix is taken as a cos alpha plus I sine alpha. That only we written here, 2 into cos alpha plus I sine alpha and 2 minus cos alpha plus I sine alpha. Then what we want to do means here at multiplied by minus means we get this term, that means 2 minus cos alpha minus I sine alpha. Then what we want to do means we multiply this term as here what having here minus having, then we separate these term 2 minus cos alpha and minus I sine alpha. Then we want to multiply the denominator, that means conjunction. So conjugation, that is what we want to do means 2 minus cos alpha, here instead of minus we put a plus and then I sine alpha. Likewise also we put the same as in a 2 minus cos alpha minus I sine alpha into 2 minus cos alpha plus I sine alpha. Then this is in the form of a minus b divided into a plus b. This how we written means nothing but a square minus b square. That only we written here. Here having, if we minus into I square here came, so I square is nothing but minus 1, so minus minus plus 1 here. So what we have this 2 minus cos alpha the whole square plus sine square alpha. Then what we want to do means here we written as I alpha. We that given term is nothing but in the sine series, no, so we left a cos series and taking our sine series. In sine series there is an always in front of I imaginary function, so we that 2 is taken as common, then we want to multiply by each term. If we multiply by each term means we get this form, and this is in the same as it is. Then what we want to do means here having a is, so we wherever in the I we taken as in the next step, then left of them we left taken as a 0 term. So s equal to 2 into, then here having a I, so cos alpha sine alpha, then plus here having a I, so sine alpha 2 minus cos alpha divided by, this is in the form of a square a minus b the whole square. The formula is nothing but a square, that is 4 minus 2 2ab, that is a is nothing but 4 into 2 means 4, then cos alpha is here, then left term is plus b square is nothing but a cos square alpha, then sin square as it is. Then what we want to do means here, if we multiply sin alpha in these terms means we get the 2 sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, like that. And here this term is taken as 1, so sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1, so that one is placed here. Then 4 minus 4 cos alpha, then this term and this term are getting cancelled because of opposite sign. Then what we want to do means next step goes to 2 into 2 sin alpha divided by this 4 plus 1 5 minus 4 cos alpha. Then what we have, sine series is nothing but s equal to 2 into 2 4 sin alpha divided by 5 minus 4 cos alpha. This is the solution for this question. Hope you all understand. Thank you and keep supporting.